Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon AF-S NIKKOR 28-300mm f/3. 5 6G DVR lens is a versatile lens that caters to photographers seeking a wide focal length range without the burden of carrying multiple lenses. From sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits, this lens proves to be a reliable companion for various shooting scenarios. Optically, the lens excels with its impressive zoom range going from 28mm to a substantial 300mm. The image quality is sharp across the entire zoom range, though it shines best in the central areas, especially at mid-range focal lengths. The lens incorporates extra-low dispersion (ED) glass elements that significantly reduce chromatic aberrations and enhance contrast, resulting in vibrant colors and crisp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. The vibration reduction (VR) feature is particularly noteworthy, allowing for steadier shots at slower shutter speeds, which is a boon for low-light conditions and handheld shooting. The lens also offers a respectable maximum aperture of f/3.5 to f/5.6, which provides good performance in varied lighting environments, though it's worth noting that the maximum aperture narrows as you zoom in. The build quality of the Nikon AF-S NIKKOR 28-300mm is solid, featuring a durable construction that feels robust in hand. The focus ring is smooth and allows for precise manual adjustments, complementing the fast and silent autofocus system. The included filter kit is a valuable addition, providing essential filters that protect the lens and enhance photo quality. The UV filter helps reduce haze and protects the glass, while polarizing filters can enhance colors and reduce glare, making them perfect for landscape photography. Overall, the Nikon AF-S NIKKOR 28-300mm f/3. 5 to 5.6G DVR lens is an excellent choice for photographers looking for flexibility without compromising on image quality. It's especially suitable for travel and everyday photography, making it a worthy investment for both amateur and professional photographers alike.